Hey guys, it's been a while since I designed a mech, but after watching Atlas on Netflix, I was inspired to make one, with some minor differences. After watching the movie and the trailer a bunch of times, I did some sketches just to get an idea of the mechanics, how the arms and legs would move, and how big this mech was gonna be. Then I spent a day building out the first draft. I was very happy with it, except for the shoulders. My initial design had very loose connections, using these mechanical claw parts clipped to a bar. And the arm kept falling down whenever I wanted to pose it. So I reworked it, and version 2 is much more stable and still has a good range of motion. First, let's look at the articulation. For the leg design, it has articulation in the ankle, knee, and hip. I based the leg design very close to the Atlas Mech because I just love the way it looks. Using the small ball joints, it is sturdy enough to carry the weight of the whole suit. The waist pivots a full 360, and I use a Technic pin to hold it all together. The arm design has a few points of rotation. The first in the shoulder, then the elbow joint, the wrist, and finally the fingers. Oh yeah, please like and subscribe. On the right hand, I put a clip in there so it can hold a weapon. For armament, this mech packs quite a punch, just like in the show. First, I built a sword for it to wield, and you can also clip it in the back when not in use. On the left hand, there's a 4-arm machine gun. There's also a mounted double-barrel machine gun which folds up or down using ball joints, as well as a rocket launcher on the other side. You can upgrade this mech and add more weapons to your liking. The cockpit fits one pilot nicely, and the windscreen folds up easily to place or remove him. I added in some small details like control panels and joysticks for good measure. There are some lights on the torso and on top, which you can fold down so it doesn't look like bunny ears. There are also boosters in the back with some range of motion. This mech was a blast to design and build, and I hope you learned something from this. I might do another version with different colors and weapons, so let me know in the comments if you want to see it. Thank you for watching, and keep on bricking.